Hello children, this is equation of a line part 4 and this is the last part. Okay, in the previous parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3, I have already explained the basic concepts of equation of a line. This part is completely dedicated to examples. Okay, different types of examples, different types of questions based on equation of a line. Okay, so you can open your book, Concise Mathematics, page number 202, page number 202. Okay, exercise 14E. Page number 202. Ready? Exercise 14E. I will solve some selected questions. Okay, it is not possible for me to solve all the questions, and I think these questions will be sufficient for you to understand. Okay, and you can solve the other questions. Exercise 14E. Question number 1. Point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B. Okay. See, this is coordinate geometry, means it is combination of algebra and geometry. Okay. So you have to draw diagram. Always draw diagram. When a question is given to you from this chapter or from this unit, coordinate geometry, draw a diagram so that you can understand better. So draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment AB. AB. Okay. A is 8, 0. B is 16, -8. This is actually a rough diagram, but actually 16, -8 should be below 8. Okay, 8, 0 will be on the x-axis and 16, -8 will be on the fourth quarter. Okay, means here. So this is rough diagram, so no problem. You can draw lines AB. Then there is a point P which divides AB. There is a P is to find. Let this be the point P. Okay. Suppose its coordinates are x and y. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Ready? Find its coordinates. Okay, find the coordinates of P. So we have to use section formula of the previous chapter, section and midpoint formula. Okay. So AP by BP is equal to M1 by M2 is equal to 3 by 5. We have x1, y1, we have x2, y2, we have M1, M2. So you can easily find the values of x and y. We have the formula x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. So M1 x2 means 3 into 16, 48. M2 x1 5 into 0, 0. Sorry. X1 5 into 8, 40. M1 plus M2 3 plus 5, which is 8. So 40 plus 40 is 88. Okay, 88 by 8 is 11. So we got x is equal to 11. Okay, so x coordinate of P is 11. Now let us go for y coordinate. Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, what is M1 y2? 3 into -8, which is -24, plus M2 y1 5 into 0, which is 0. M1 plus M2 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8, so which is -3. Y equal to -3. So 11, -3. So coordinates of point P are 11, -2. Next, also find the equation of the line through P and parallel to 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. So the equation is given. Another line is given, whose equation is given 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. from the equation we are not able to know how the line would look like. It will be moving up or it will be moving down, I don't know. Okay. So how to get that? Okay. If you get the slope, you can know whether the means the line is moving up or moving down. Okay. So for that part you have to do. This is in standard form, ax plus by plus c equal 0 form. Here c is on the right side, okay. But you have to bring it to the slope intercept form, means y equal to mx plus c form. Remember this. Whenever you want to get some information regarding a line or about a line, then you have to bring the equation of the line to this form, slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus c form. This form means ax plus by plus c equal 0. This form looks beautiful, but it doesn't give us any information. And this form gives us all the information. It gives us information about slope and the y-intercept. Okay. So whenever you need information, bring the means equation to this form. So we can write 5y is equal to minus 3x plus 7, y is equal to minus 3 by 5x plus 7 by 5. So you can see slope is negative, so the line will be moving down like this. Y-intercept is 7 by 5, means 1 whole 2 by 5. Means this line is intersecting the y-axis above the origin. Suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. 7 by 5 means 1 whole 2 by 5 will be something here. Okay, and the slope is negative, means the line will be moving down. So the line will be like this. Okay, I am not saying accurately it will be like this, but I can just anticipate that the line will be like this, moving down. Okay, so let us draw a line. Let us draw a line. This is the line whose equation was given to you. 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. I have already found means the slope and y-intercept of this line. Okay, suppose this is the line. So I did this to get the slope, to know whether the line is moving up or moving down, and also to know the y-coordinate, means y-intercept. But remember a very simple trick. If the equation is in this standard form, means ax plus by plus c equal 0 form, in this form, then simply see the coefficients of x and y. Both are positive, plus plus, or if both are negative. Both are positive or both are negative, then the slope will be negative. See, slope is negative. Okay, so remember, if it is in the standard form and the coefficients of x and y have the same sign, means both are minus, both are negative, or both are positive, then the slope will be negative. Okay, if they have opposite sign, x is positive, y is negative, or y is positive, x is negative, then the slope will be positive. Okay, so you don't need to convert to this. Okay, just to find the slope, to show you I have done this, otherwise we don't need this one. Okay, suppose this is the line, then we have to find the equation of that line that passes through the point P and is parallel to this line. Okay, so let us draw a line through the point P and parallel to this line. The line will be like this. This line is our target. We have to find the equation of this line. Okay, it is passing through the point P and it is parallel to this line. Ready? See, to find the equation of any line, the first thing that we need is slope. Okay, for this line, slope is not given. Theta is not given, slope is not given. So how can we find the slope? In part 2 I had explained about slope of parallel lines. I told that if two lines are parallel, then the slopes will be same. That means slope of the line L will be same as slope of this line. Okay, so let us find the slope of this line. We had already found. Okay, we had already found y is equal to minus 3x by 5 plus 7 by 5 for this line, okay. So slope is minus 3 by 5, okay. Slope of this line is minus 3 by 5. Slope of this line, our target line, is also minus 3 by 5. So you can see, although theta was not given and although 2 points means y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, that formula that we will use to find the slope, 2 points were not given. Here only 1 point is given. See, only 1 point. Still we can find, we could find the slope of this line. So we got the slope. Then we need 1 point which is given this one. So x1 y1. Our required point is 11 comma minus 3. Okay, we have slope, we have the point. Now we can use the values in slope point formula. Okay, slope point formula means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 means y minus 3, which is y plus 3. M is minus 3 by 5. Okay, x minus x1 means x minus 11. Okay. So see this equation. Okay, 5y plus 15 is equal to minus 3x plus 33. Ready? Now x coefficient is negative. I want to make it positive, means I want to bring it to the standard form because it looks beautiful. Okay, so bring everything to the left. 3x plus 5y plus 15 minus 33 is 0. 3x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this line, our target line. Okay, so this is the equation. Next, move to question number 3. Question number 3. A line 5x plus 3y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now looking at the coefficients of the variables x and y, 5x, 3y, 5 and 3, both are positive. I told in the previous question that if both the coefficients are positive and the equation is in the standard form, then the slope will be negative. So definitely the line will be like this. Move down. Meet the y-axis at point P. Find the coordinates of point P. Okay. Suppose this is the y-axis. Diagram is very important to understand. Okay, and formulas are required to find the equation of the line. So this is the y-axis. Suppose this is the line. This is the line whose equation is given 5x plus 3y plus 15 is 0. Okay, and this is the point P. This is the point P. Okay, since the point P is on the y-axis, it will be of the form 0, k. Okay, because every point on the y-axis is of the form 0, k. So let the point be 0, k. Find the coordinates of point P. First, let us find the coordinates of point P. Now, in the first part, I have already told you that every point satisfying the equation lies on the line, and every point on the line satisfies the equation. Now see the point P, it lies on this line. So definitely its coordinates will be satisfying this equation. So let us put 0 and k in place of x and y in the equation. Ready? 5x plus 3y plus 15 is equal to 0. 5x means 5 into 0, 0. 3y means 3 into k, 3k. Plus 15 is 0. 3k is minus 15. K is minus 5. So what is P then? P is equal to 0, minus 5. means this point is below the origin. So axis will be somewhere here. Origin must be somewhere here, and the axis will be like this. Okay. Previously I did not know. After getting the coordinates of point P, I could know that x-axis will be somewhere here, or the origin will be here. So we got the coordinates of point P. Then find the equation of a line through P and perpendicular to x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. There is another line whose equation has been given to you. X minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now see, it is the standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And look at the coefficients of x and y. They are opposite in sign. One is positive, one is negative. So definitely the slope will be positive. Okay, means the line will be like this. Slope will be positive. So let us draw a line randomly. Okay. Suppose let this be the line. So the equation is x minus 3y plus 4 is 0. Ready? So this is the line whose equation has been given to you. And we have been asked to find the equation of the line that is passing through the point P and is perpendicular to this line. So let us draw a line passing through P and perpendicular to this line. Our target is this line. This line is our target. We are required to find the equation of this line. It is passing through the point P. Already we have found the coordinates 0, minus 5. Okay, here I am writing 0, minus 5. Okay, and we are required to find the equation of this line. Now to find the equation of a line, the first thing that is necessary is slope of the line. For this line, theta is not given, so we cannot use tan theta. 2 points are not given, only 1 point is given. Otherwise, we could have used the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so that formula also we cannot use. So how to get the slope of this line? We can get the slope of this line from this line because they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so first let us find the slope of this line, x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And how to get the slope? By converting the equation to slope intercept form. X plus 4 is equal to 3y, or y is equal to x by 3 plus 4 by 3. So m is equal to slope. And here you can write slope of, let us give a name to this line. This line I will give an L, small l. This line, suppose I will give small p. Okay, suppose let the equation of the line means let this line be p. Slope of p means line p is equal to, see here, put the coefficient of x 1 by 3. Okay, the slope of this line is 1 by 3. So what will be the slope of this line L? In part 2 I have already explained. Okay, if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes will be minus 1. Okay, if slope of this line P is 1 by 3, then the slope of this line L will be minus 3 by 1. Means take the reciprocal and change the sign. I have already told you in part 2. Take the reciprocal and change the sign. So 1 by 3 will become minus 3 by 1. Okay. So now we can write slope of L means our target line is minus 3 by 1, which is minus 3. We got the slope. We have the coordinate, this coordinate. Okay. x1 y1 is equal to 0, minus 5. Okay. We have slope, we have the point. We can use slope point formula to get the equation of the line. This line. Okay. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. y minus y1 means y plus 5. Y minus minus 5, y plus 5. What is m? Minus 3. Slope is negative. Definitely slope is negative. See, the line is moving down. Okay. So slope is negative. X minus x1 means x minus 0. Here actually this is 0 comma minus 5 means indirectly y intercept has been given to you. So here we could have used slope intercept formula also. Okay, I had forgotten that one. So I used slope and formula. We could have used slope intercept formula also. Y plus 5 is equal to minus 3x. So 3x plus y plus 5 is 0. This is the equation of this line. Okay. Now let me use slope intercept formula. I have used slope point formula. Let me use slope intercept formula. I'll get the same equation. You will see. I'll get the same equation. Okay. Here the point is 0 comma minus 5. X coordinate is 0 means definitely this is the y intercept of this line. Okay. So I can write c is equal to minus 5. Okay. C is equal to minus 5. And the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. Slope intercept formula. Okay. So y is equal to m is minus 3. C is minus 5. So 3x plus y plus 5 is 0. See the two equations same. Okay. So here we could have used slope intercept formula also. Now move to question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, question number 8. A line through origin meets the line x to 3y plus 2 at right angles at point x. Find the coordinates of x. Okay. A line through origin. Now how means the line is moving up or moving down, nothing is given. Okay. So let us write the first equation. The line which is given to us. X is equal to 3y plus 2 means 3y is equal to x minus 2. I told you that if you need information regarding a line, then you have to convert the equation into slope intercept form, and that I am doing. So y is equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 2 by 3. Okay. So the slope of the line is 1 by 3, means it is moving up. The line is like this. I don't have any information about the other line which is passing through the origin, but at least I am getting information about this line whose equation has been given. The slope is positive, so the line is moving up, and y intercept is minus 2 by 3. So definitely the line is intersecting the y axis below the origin. Okay, so let us draw a rough diagram. Suppose this is y axis, this is x axis. Minus 2 by 3 will be somewhere here. Okay, below the origin. Okay, and slope is positive 1 by 3 means the line is moving up like this. This is x axis. Understanding the question is very important. Without diagram you cannot understand the question. Okay, so always draw diagram like this to understand for yourself. So x axis, y axis, and this is the line whose equation has been given. X is equal to 3y plus 2. Ready? Then a line through origin means this point. This is the origin. A line through the origin. A line through the origin meets this line at point x at right angles. So definitely the line would be like this. Okay, like this. So this is our target line. Okay, this is our target line. It is passing through the origin, means 0, 0, and is meeting this line at right angles. This is 90 degree, and this point is x. This point is x, and we are required to find the coordinates of this point x. Okay. So how to get it? First, you have to find the equation of this line L. So let us try to find the equation of this line. Ready? Now, to find the equation of any line, the first thing that we need is slope. How to get the slope of this line? Theta is not given, 2 points not given. So we can get the slope of this line from this line. Its slope is 1 by 2. Okay. So slope is equal to 1 by slope of this line. Okay, slope of this line. Slope of L is equal to this line. Slope of this line, since they are perpendicular to each other. How to get the slope of the line L? Take the reciprocal of this and change the sign. So minus 3 by 1, or simply minus 3. Minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. So I got the slope. Okay. Then I have 1 point 0, 0. So I can use slope point formula. Also I can use slope intercept formula, because the line L is intersecting the y-axis at this point. Okay, which coordinates are 0, 0. Means indirectly its y-intercept has been given to me. The y-intercept of this line L is 0. You can see. Okay, the point where the line intersects the y-axis, its y-coordinate is the y-intercept. Its y-coordinate is 0. So its y-intercept is 0. So C is equal to 0. You are free to choose. Either you can use slope point formula, or you can use slope intercept formula. So let us find the equation of the line L. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to what is slope? Minus 3. M is minus 3 minus 3x plus 0. C is 0. C is 0, as you can see. Okay. 3x plus y is 0. This is the equation of this line L. Okay. We got the equation. Now we will find the coordinates of the point x. Now how to find? See, the point x lies on both the lines, this line and this line. So it will satisfy the equations of both the lines. Okay, by concept, a point means every point on a line satisfies the equation of the line. Correct? Similar, for that reason, since the point x lies on the line L, so it will satisfy the equation of the line L, that is this new equation. Since the point x lies on this line, therefore it will satisfy the equation of this line, that is this equation. That means simultaneously at a time, the coordinates of point x will satisfy this equation and also this equation. Okay. So now we are simultaneously going to solve the two equations. Simultaneous linear equation plus 9. Okay. This is bx plus y is equal to 0. The second one is x is equal to 3y plus 2, or x minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay, x equal to 3y plus 2 can be written as x minus 3y is equal to 2. I am using elimination method. We could have used substitution method also, but since we are acquainted with, more comfortable with elimination method, so I am using this method. Let us multiply 3 here. This becomes 9x plus 3y is equal to 0. X minus 3y is 2. Let us add so that we can cancel. Plus minus plus. Okay. 3y cancel. 9x plus x is 10x is equal to 2. then x equal to 2 by 10, which is 1 by 5. Now we will put the value of x in any of the two equations, then we will get the value of y. So we have 3x plus y. We can take any of the two equations. I am taking the first equation, 3x plus y equal to 0, or y is equal to minus 3x. So minus 3 into 1 by 5. So minus 3 by 5. Okay. So x is equal to, means the coordinates of point x is equal to 1 by 5, comma, minus 3 by 5. So these are the coordinates of the point x. Ready? I hope you have understood this. Move to question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of two equations are given. Okay. The first equation is 7x plus 6y. Number 10. The first equation is 7x plus 6y is equal to 71. Now see, it is in the standard form x plus by plus c equals 0. Means if I bring 71 to the left, then it will come to that form. X and y are together on the same side. The coefficients both are positive, same side. So definitely the slope will be negative. Okay. So randomly I am drawing the line. Suppose this is the line whose equation has been given. 7x plus 6y is equal to 71. So you should be able to anticipate the line from the equation. How the line would look like. Move up or move down. Okay. That you can get from the slope. And how to get the slope or how to anticipate the slope? From the coefficients of x and y. Okay. The line will be like this, suppose. Okay. Definitely the line is not moving up. Definitely the line is not moving up, it is moving down because slope will be definitely negative. Next, the second equation is given 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 23. Now see, x and y are together on the same side, the coefficients are opposite side, plus and minus, so definitely the slope will be positive. So let the line be like this. Okay, I am writing the equation here. 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 23. Okay. These two lines are intersecting at some point. Let the point of intersection be P. I don't know the coordinates. I will find it. Okay. Then we have to find the equation of that line that passes through this point of intersection, that is P, and is perpendicular to the line. Another line has been given. Okay. Another line has been given. I am writing here 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. Again, look at the coefficients of x and y. One is positive, the other is negative. So the slope will be positive, means the line will move up. So randomly let's draw a line. Suppose this is the line whose equation has been given. 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. Okay. And we are equal to find the equation of that line that passes to the point P and is perpendicular. Yes, perpendicular to this line. Okay. So the line will be like this. Our target is this line. It is passing through the point P and is perpendicular to this line. The first thing that we need to find the equation of a line is slope. Okay. For this line, theta is not given, so we cannot use tan theta. Not a single point is given here. We need 2 points to find the slope of the line using the formula, second formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That also we cannot use. So how to get the slope of this line? We can get the slope of this line from this line. For x minus 2y is equal to 1, because they are perpendicular to each other. So first let us find the slope of this line. Okay. For x minus 1 is equal to 2y. Y is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2, that is 2x minus 1 by 2. Okay, slope is 2. Okay, slope is 2. Slope of this line is 2. So what will be the slope of line L? Since they are perpendicular to each other, slope of line L will be its reciprocal and change the sign. Okay. So we can write here slope of L is equal to, take the reciprocal of 2 and change the sign. So we will get minus 1 by 2. So we got the slope of this line. Simply slope is not sufficient. We need either the y-intercept or one point. Then only we can use the formula, means either slope intercept formula or slope point formula. So now we are going to target one point, that is P. So now let us find the coordinates of point P. How can we get the coordinates of point P? From these two lines. This line and this line. Okay, this line and this line, whose equations are given. Two equations are given. Minus 2. Slope of L is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Slope we have already got, simply we need one point, that is point P, coordinates. Okay. Now the point P lies on this line and this line. Therefore, it will satisfy both the equations, means this equation and this equation. So let us solve the two equations. I am equating the coefficients of y. Okay, 4 into 6 24, 3 into 8 24. Ready? Elimination method, class 9. 28x plus 24y is equal to 4 into 7 1, 71 is 4 over 4, 284. 15x minus 24y is equal to 3 into minus 23 is minus 69. How can we cancel these two? By adding. So plus minus, okay. 24y minus 24y cancel. 20x plus 15x is equal to 38, 43x. Okay, which is equal to 284 minus 69 is 5, 1, 2, 215. So x is equal to 2151, which is equal to 5. X is 5. Okay, x is 5. X coordinate is 5. Ready? Now we will go for y coordinate. X is 5. Let us put the value of x in any of the two equations. Okay, this equation looks simpler, so let us put here 5x minus 8y equal to minus 23. 5 into x is 5. X is 5. Just now we have found 5 times 25 minus 8y is equal to minus 23. 25 plus 23 is equal to 8y. Okay, 48 is equal to 8y. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. So successfully we have got the coordinates of point P, which is the point of intersection of the two lines, and also the line which is our target passes through the point P. So we have got the coordinates. Okay, we have got the coordinates. Now we can take it as x1 y1. Okay, we can take it as x1 y1. x1 y1 is equal to 5 comma 6. So here we have slope, we have 1 point. We can use slope point formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is y minus y1? Y minus 6. Y minus 6, what is m? Minus 1 by 2. What is x minus x1? X minus 5. Okay. 2y minus 12 is equal to minus x plus 5. So bring it to the standard form. It looks beautiful. X plus 2y minus 12 minus 5 is 0. Ultimately we get the equation x plus 2y minus 17 is equal to 0. This is the equation of our target line L. Okay. So x plus 2y minus 17 is equal to 0. Now move to question number 12. 1, 2. Okay. It is a very interesting chapter. Okay. If you understand it, then it is very easy and it is very interesting. If you do not understand, then game over. So move to question number 12. Question number 12. OAB are the vertices of a triangle. Okay. O is 0, 0 origin. Suppose this is O. 0, 0. A is 3, 5. Imagine that this is x-axis. Okay. Accurate diagram is not necessary, but I have the habit. Okay. I am little addicted to accurate drawing. So A to 3, 5. This is x-axis. Suppose this is y-axis. Suppose imagine 3, 5 will be somewhere here. Suppose here. This is A. 3, 5. This is 3, 5 A. Then minus 5, minus 3. Minus 5, minus 3. Okay. Minus 5, minus 3. Okay. We will drop minus 5 somewhere here. Okay. I am drawing again this one. Here I am drawing 0, 0, 3, 5. Suppose this is A. 3, 5. Minus 5, minus 3. No, minus 5, minus 3. Suppose this is minus 5, minus 3. Let this be point C. Sorry, B. Sorry. Let this be point B, whose coordinates are minus 5, minus 3. And this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay. This is a triangle. Ready? OAB is a triangle. Ready? Next, find the equation of median of triangle OAB through vertex O. So median, we have to find the equation of the median through vertex O. Through vertex O means, for the median through vertex O, we have to take the midpoint of AB. So let the midpoint of AB be this one, which is suppose P. Suppose this is P. And this is equal to this. Then this line segment is the median, OP. This is the median corresponding to the side AB or through the vertex O. Okay, we are going to find the equation of this line OP. Ready? Now to find the equation of any, to find the equation of any line, first we need the slope of the line. How to get the slope? Only one point is given, theta is also not given. So now we need the coordinates of point P also. How to find the coordinates of point P? P is the midpoint of line segment AB, so we can use midpoint formula of the previous chapter. So use midpoint formula for P. This is first bit. This is first bit for P. I am going to find the coordinates of point P. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Or you can take this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Here it is means order is not important for midpoint formula. For section formula, order is important. So x1 plus x2 means 3 plus minus 5. 3 plus minus 5 means 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So p is equal to minus 1. This is p minus 1. Now let us go for the y coordinate. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, again y1 plus y2 means 5 plus minus 3 or 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So y coordinate is 1. Okay, we got the correlation point P. Now let us find the slope of the line OP. Slope of the line OP. Slope of OP is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We can take O as x1 y1, P as x2 y2. Okay, the 2 points. So y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 0. This is x2 y2, this is x1 y1. So y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 by x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus 0. So 1 by minus 1. Okay, 1 by minus 1 which is minus 1. We got the slope of the line OP minus 1. Then we need one point. There are 2 points given. Okay, you can take any point. Also we can use intercept, also y-intercept, because see O is from 0, 0, that means the line OP is intersecting the y-axis at the origin. Okay, 0, 0. Its y coordinate is 0, that means the y-intercept of the line OP is 0. Remember, when x is 0, the corresponding y coordinate is y, which I have already told you. When y is 0, the corresponding x coordinate is the x-intercept. Okay, so y-intercept is 0. So you are free to choose. Here you can use slope-intercept formula or you can use slope point formula. Suppose I will choose slope point formula. Okay, I can take any one point, either this point or this point. I am taking this point. Okay, so y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, while using the slope point formula, you can take any point. Okay, when I found the slope, I took this point as x2 y2 and this point as x1 y1. But while finding the equation of the line x1 y1, I am taking this point, which I have taken x2 y2, and now I am taking x1 y1. So you are free to choose. Okay, while finding the equation of a line in slope point formula, you can take any point out of the 2 points. What is y minus y1? This point I am taking. So y minus y1 means y minus 1. M is minus 1. X minus x1 means x minus minus 1, which is x plus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to minus x minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 cancel. Y equal to minus x. Okay, or x plus y is equal to 0. The equation of the line OP, or the equation of the median of the triangle through the vertex O, is x plus y is equal to 0. Ready? And remember one more thing. See here, the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of y is 1, but there is no constant term here, means there is no c. Okay. If you write it in the form x plus by plus c is equal to 0, you can see there is ax here, there is by here, but there is no c. Okay, there is no c. When there is no c, remember, the y-intercept will be 0, or the line will be passing through the origin. Okay, remember, if any line is passing through the origin, any line, then its constant term will be missing. Okay, there will be no constant term. Conversely, if there is equation of a line and its constant term is missing, there is no c, no constant term, then be sure that that line is passing through the origin. It may be moving up, it may be moving down, doesn't matter, but it is passing through the origin. Okay, so this is the slope of the median. Next, second bit. Second bit. The equation of altitude of triangle OAB, altitude you have to find now, okay, through vertex B. That means from B, we have to draw a perpendicular on AO, which is not possible. From B, we cannot draw a perpendicular on AO. So how to draw perpendicular, how to draw altitude? We have to produce AO, okay, we have to produce AO. This was -5, -3. Okay, in obtuse angle triangle, okay, this is a concept of lower class, class 9. Also, I have explained this, that altitudes of a triangle may be inside, may be outside. For acute angle triangle, all the altitudes are inside the triangle. For obtuse angle triangle, one altitude will be inside the triangle, the remaining two altitudes will be outside the triangle. Take this example. I want to draw altitude of this triangle through vertex B, means corresponding to the side AO, but I cannot draw perpendicular from B on AO. So what we have to do? We have to produce AO. Like this. Then only we can draw perpendicular from B on that line. Okay. Let this point be M. Okay. Let this point be M. We are required to find the equation of this line BM. This BM is the altitude of the triangle AOB corresponding to the side AO. And you can see the line means the altitude is outside the triangle. Okay. So for obtuse triangles, altitudes will be outside. Not all altitudes, two altitudes will be outside. So this is our target now. You have to find the slope of the line first, then only you will get the equation. Okay, how to get the slope of this line? I can get the slope of this line from this line because they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let us first find the slope of this line AO. Okay, then only I will get the slope of this line BM. Slope of OA or AO simply is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now O can be taken as x1 y1, A can be taken x2 y1. So y2 minus y1 means 5 minus 0, x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 0, which is 5 by 3. So slope of the line AO is 5 by 3. So what will be slope of the line BM? Slope of BM is equal to, see they are perpendicular to each other. BM and AO are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So product of the slopes will be -1, or I have given a trick that if one is 5 by 3, the other will be, the other slope means slope of this line BM will be, take the reciprocal, change the sign. So minus 3 by, we got the slope minus 3 by 5. Okay, we got the slope. Then one point has been given to you, -5 comma -3. This can be taken as x1 y1. Okay, -5 -3. We have slope, we have point, you can find the equation using slope point formula. M into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m whole x minus x1. Y minus y1 means y minus -3, which is y plus 3. M is -3 by 5. X minus x1 means x minus -5, which is x plus 5. Okay, bring 5 to the left. 5y plus 15 is equal to minus 3x minus 15. Okay, so take everything to the left to bring it to the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal 0 form. 3x plus 5y plus 15 plus 15 is 0, 3x plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the altitude of the triangle AOB corresponding to the side AO or through the vertex B. Okay. Now one more question, then it will be the end of part 4. Okay. Move to the previous exercise, means same page, page number 202 only. Page number 202. Page number 202. Same page. 202. Question number 24. Question number 24. Okay. So diagram is given. Okay. Diagram is given. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Then this is L1. Line L1. This is line L1. Then there is another line L3 passing through the origin. A few minutes before I told you that if a line is passing through the origin, then its constant term will be missing. So definitely its equation, its constant term will be missing. Then there is another line parallel to L3. Okay, parallel to L3. Parallel to L3. This is line L4. Then there is another line like this. Okay. This is line L2. So we have line L1, L2, L3. 4 lines later. We have 4 lines. Okay. We have 4 lines. Ready? 4 equations have been given and we have to match. Okay, 4 equations have been given and we have to match. First equation is y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Now y equal to 2x means y equal to 2x plus 0. Always, if you want to know how the line would be looking like, then you have to convert the equation of the line to slope intercept form, means mx plus c form. I converted to that form. Y into 2x plus 0 means m is 2, slope is 2 and c is 0, y is 0. So slope is 2 means line is moving up. Y is 0 means it is passing through the origin. Okay, the line is moving up and is passing through the origin. So which is the line? This is the line. This line. While drawing the line, I told you that the equation of this line, its constant term will be missing. See, its constant term is missing. There is no constant term. Y equal to x. Okay, so this is the line. So you can match. A is L3. Means this equation belongs to the line L3. Okay. So A is L3. A is equivalent to L3. Then next, second equation is given B to x minus y minus 2x plus 2 is 0. Okay, this is the equation given. This is in the standard form. Bring it to the slope intercept form to get the information about the line. We can write y equal to x minus 2. Slope intercept form. Slope is 2, y intercept is minus 2. So m is 2 and c is minus 2. Okay. Slope is positive means the line is moving up. Y intercept is negative means it is cutting or intersecting the y-axis below the origin. So moving up and intersecting the y-axis below the origin means this line. See this one. There is no other line like this. It is moving up and it is intersecting the y-axis below the origin. So this is the line L4. B is L4. Okay. Next, third equation is C 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Bring into the slope intercept form. 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 6. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 6 by 2, which is minus 3 by 2x plus 3. So slope is minus 3 by 2 from here. Y intercept is 3. Slope is negative, means the line is moving down. Y intercept is positive, means it is intercepting the y-axis above the origin. So which is the line? See this line L2 moving down and it intercepting the y-axis above the origin. So this is the line L2. Okay, so we can match C is equivalent to L2. Okay. Then the last option, so definitely the last option we can easily match without even finding its slope, y-intercept, etc. But still, okay. Last option is D. Y is equal to 2. Okay, y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2 means y is equal to constant. Y is equal to constant means any line parallel to the x-axis. In class 9 also I had told, in class 10 reflection chapter also I have told, x equal 0 means y-axis, x equal constant means line parallel to y-axis, y equal 0 means x-axis, y equal constant means parallel to x-axis, like this one. So y equal 2 means it is a line parallel to x-axis, which is the line L1. So D can be matched with L1. Ready? So I hope you have understood this part, the examples that I have explained. I may make another part 5, may not, I am not sure, I will see. Okay, so thank you for watching.